In this video lesson, I will show you what is range break 100 pip calculator. So you will see how to calculate the pip value, the stop loss value and the take profit value for the range break 100 index. On the left side you can see what is the pip calculator, and all the link for this pip calculator I will leave below in the description. On the right side you can see MetaTrader 5 trading platform with the range break 100 index chart, and also I'm using derivative broker with all the synthetic indices located here in the market watch. Below that, in the left corner, you will have also a PDF which you will be able to download over the link I will leave below in the description, which has all the informations for the pip value for all synthetic indices. For the range break value, you will have this one here where you can see what is the contract size, the minimum volume and also the maximum volume, and also the pip value here, the column. Inside the PDF you will have also other details, for example a formula how to calculate the pip value, then also an examples how to use a pip calculator. You will see all the details that you need for trading with range break 100 index. Let's get back here to the pip calculator. I will put the PDF here and locate range break 100 which we'll be using here. Now the pip calculator on the top has a pip value in US dollars. When you click calculate button below that, you will get the values here. In this case, the current value is set to 0.1, which is defined by these three fields: the volume, contract size and also the point value. Let's see the other one field, which is a symbol just below the pip value. It is a symbol with the drop-down menu where you have all synthetic indices available to be selected. In this case, I have selected the range break 100 index, which will automatically populate the contract size and so the point value, which is the same as this one inside the table, inside the PDF. These values, the contract size is predefined by the broker. If you have your broker, ask him what is the contract size so you can enter this value here. When you enter this one, you do not change that later on in calculating, because it will affect the price of a pip. Below that you have a volume which is set to 1, and the volume is a lot size. It is set to 1, but it can be changed to any other value. You have seen that the minimum lot size is 0.01 for this broker, but you have also your broker which you can ask what is the minimum and the maximum volume you can use for the range break 100. Then you have a point value which is set to 0.1. This means the broker has defined that 1 pip will be equal to 0.1 price change. And that means when you go here to the chart and you can see that the price has 1 decimal point. So when the price or the last decimal point changes by 1, this will mean that the price has changed by 1 pip. So when you put these three values here inside the pip calculator, when you click calculate, you get the value for 1 pip. In our case, that 1 pip is equal to $0.10. So when the price change here by 0.1, this will mean that the price will change by $0.1. If you change the volume, for example, you set to 10, this will mean that 1 pip will be equal to $1. I will show you an example later on with a different volume, but in this case I will show you first an example with a volume to 1, so you can see how to use this pip calculator. For example, let's open an order with the current market price where we are expecting that the price will go down, and we set stop loss here and the take profit, for example, here. Let's put these values here so we can calculate what is the stop loss difference and the take profit difference. So the entry price would be 59066.8. Stop loss would be 59112.8, and the take profit would be 58741.6. When you click calculate, you get the stop loss difference and the take profit difference compared to entry price. When you copy this one, stop loss, put this one here, click calculate, you get the stop loss value in US dollars. So in our case, if we open an order with these entry price and the stop loss take profit levels, we would get the $46 as stop loss, and the take profit would be 325.20. Now let's open this order. It is range break index 100, that's okay. The volume should be 1. Stop loss is set to this one and the take profit is set to this one. Now we are opening sell order because we are expecting that the price will drop down in value. Click sell. We need to change the entry price, which is slightly different than we had this here. So put this one here, 0.0. Click calculate. And the new value for the stop loss difference is 50.80. Copy this one here. And we get the stop loss would be $50.8. Now let's check that on the chart is the same values. Now we have here horizontal lines which I will remove so I can see the stop loss and take profit. Let's hover a mouse button here over this one just to see what is the stop loss. Stop loss says minus 50.80. It is the same value we got here. Now let's use the same one for the take profit. 320.40. Let's check this one. 320.40. It is the same value for the take profit and the stop loss. You can see how to use a Pip Calculator for the range break 100 before opening an order. You can define the stop loss and take profit before opening order, so you can calculate the risk on each trade that you are opening and also the profit that you would make. Now, for example, let's change the volume so we can see what happens, what happens when you change the lot size, which is also the volume. So for example, if you, let's close this one order and let's define that you would like to enter into the trade at the current market price. And now we expect that the price will go up. For example, let's put the take profit here and the stop loss just below these lows of these candles. So when we enter these values here, 59061.6, stop loss set to 58961.80 and the take profit to 59286.9. Click calculate. We get a stop loss equal to 99.80. Copy this one here, click calculate. So the stop loss would be equal to $99.80. So if you are not satisfied with this value and you would like that stop loss is equal to $10, so you would need to divide this by 10. To change this value, you need to change the volume. For example, let's put this one to 0.1. Click calculate and we get the stop loss would be equal to $9.98. This is great, so if you are satisfied with this, go here to the chart and open a new order with these values. Set volume 0.1, set stop loss to the predefined value and the take profit, and open a buy order because we are expecting the price will go up in value. Click buy and here it is the new entry price. We should change this one here so we have the correct entry, stop loss, take profit levels. Click calculate and we get that the price difference for the stop loss is 101.2. Let's copy this one here to get the value in US dollars. Now the stop loss is equal to $10.12. Let's check these values on the chart. Stop loss is minus 10.12. It is the same one that we got here. Now let's put the take profit. It is 22.39. Let's check. 22.39. Now you can see how to use this range break 100 Pip calculator to define the stop loss and the take profit, where you can use volume and change the volume size to predefine the stop loss take profit which is acceptable for you. You can use this Pip calculator before opening an order, so you can calculate the correct stop loss or take profit and then open a new order with the predefined volume and also stop loss take profits. You can see how this can be helpful, but if you have any questions regarding the range break 100 Pip calculator, please leave a comment below in the description and I will try to make a new video with answers to your questions. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!